It's a beautiful summer day in Paris, and it's the perfect weather for affogato. So I invited my friend Margot Combat, also known as Margot Lecarpentier, to my garden in Paris, my kitchen in Paris.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Margot owns Combat Bar, which is a really great bar, and she's a really amazing bartender. And one of the great summer desserts that you're going to make today is...
An affogato.
Affogato.
With ice cream made by David.
Sorbet.
So even better.
Sorbet.
Yeah, sorbet.
We're having a sorbet, so it's going to be non-dairy. So what goes into affogato?
Usually an affogato is a scoop of ice cream, and it's topped with a very hot espresso.
Right.
But today we're going to make it a little boozy. I picked different ingredients. I like it very light on the booze. I don't like affogatos that are too boozy.
So you've got some rum, coffee.
Today I picked a rhubarb Amaro.
Wow.
That's from Italy.
Cool. So actually, I think this is made from rhubarb roots, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, it's really rugged.
Yes.
But it's great for summer because also a lot of people don't like things that are really sweet. And Amaro balances sweet things like chocolate. We have chocolate sorbet perfectly.
So let's start. So I'm going to start by pouring all of the liquid ingredients in a container. This recipe is super easy because it's equal part. I like to put equal parts rum, then coffee liquor, then the Amaro of your choice, and 1 espresso per person. I'll start with the rum.
Okay.
Then the coffee liquor, and the habaro.
It smells good already.
Smells good?
Yeah.
Let me check. Yeah, it smells really good.
And I think you could maybe substitute like amaretto for the coffee liqueur if you wanted to.
Yeah,
or something else.
You can switch the rum for brandy if you like it better. Or again, the Amaro can be vermouth. Just check into your cabinets.
Okay. Whatever you have, you can use.
It's your turn, your job.
Okay, I'm the scooper.
The sorbet.
Okay. So she makes the most beautiful cocktails, and she's asking, I'm a little nervous because you're asking me to scoop ice cream for you.
It's nice, and now we have to be quick.
You approve of my scoops?
Yes,
okay.
I approve them, and it looks so good there. The chocolate is so dark, you can tell it's very chocolatey.
Okay, I want to eat it now, but I know this is the best part, so.
So I first pour all of the spirits and aperitifs, so it has to be quick, and then we're going to eat it right away.
Okay, you have garnishes too, though,
Yeah,
right?
just the garnish.
Okay.
Here you go, coffee. And then just as a garnish, I like to grate some chocolate bar on the top.
And this is milk chocolate, which grates a little easier than dark chocolate, but you can use either, or white chocolate.
I like to add chocolate nibs.
Okay, so these are cocoa beans that are roasted and ground up.
Yes, as it's a little crunchy.
And they're also bitter,
yes,
which is nice.
And one final touch that I really like, maybe I'm a little obsessed, but salt. Yes, I like salt on
This is fleur de sel.
Yeah, fleur de sel. On my desserts, on my ice cream, I always add a little salt, so it's a little less sweet.
So it's really beautiful. It's really drowning.
It's a cocktail to share. Cheers.
Shall we dive in?
Yes. Cheers.
And this is chocolate sorbet, which is, I like it because it's really strongly flavored with chocolate, but it's not milky and creamy. That's really, really good.
It's really good. Yeah.
I'm kind of surprised. I mean, I shouldn't be surprised because this is your specialty. And the salt.
Yeah, the salt
just
really,
a little bit.
It brings it up. It brings everything all together.
It's really good.
And I like that it's a little crunchy, you know, with the cocoa nibs. Have a little sip, you know? That's what you have to try also. It's a dessert to eat and to drink.
I have to say, I'm not just saying it because you're here. That's the best affogato I've ever had.
It is nice.
Yeah, but it's better with the sorbet.
It's nice with the sorbet. Yeah. And I like that it's not too strong. I never recommend an affogato to be too boozy.
Okay, I'm just going to keep eating this.
It was supposed to be shared.
Well, thank you so much, Margot, for coming. Make this affogato. It's really delicious, and I'm not saying that lightly. It's one of the best things I've eaten in the past decade. How's that? No, it's really good. Thanks for coming in and making this with me.
Thank you for having me, and thank you for this delicious chocolate sorbet. I love it.
And if you come to Paris, be sure to go to Combat Bar. Maybe you'll see Margot behind the bar. If not, there are other people there that are really good bartenders. You can sit on the hill in Belleville and look at the scenery of Paris and have a great drink.
Cheers.
Cheers.